world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Look at the potato. We're not talking about the potato. Look at the potato. We're not talking about the potato. First up, we are talking about Grom Molotog. Please go check out his channel. He's helping with dual sport survival. His father was in a motorcycle hit and run accident, and he moved the Barbie hand. Anyway, and he is busy with a GoFundMe to help dual sport survival's father, who was in this accident. Very generous guy in the knife community. He is truly, he's Saint Nick. He's the guy that gives presents to everybody. He never expects anything. He does not want subscribers. Truly a generous person. So, go there, check out his video about the GoFundMe or about the fundraiser. Okay, there's a GoFundMe fundraiser. You pay $5 American dollars. In South African rand, I think that's about 200 rand, less than that, whatever. But then you can win marvelous prizes sponsored by Grom Molotog. Okay, so please go check that out. Links will be in the description. For this specific video, I'm canceling all the other videos that I normally put in my description. I'm just putting in Grom Molotogs so that you won't be confused. So that you can go there, click on his link, go to the fundraiser and participate. Like I said, wonderful prizes. And the prizes just keeps coming. It's fantastic. Okay, wonderful knife community. Then, why do we have the potato over here? Because I was doing a forced patina on this knife with a potato. This is a Kappetijn knife, if you forgot. Quickly look at this again. Okay, Dennis Kappetijn, custom knife maker here in South Africa. Let me put this closer, so if you forget to check, you can check later. Anyway, so Dennis Kappetijn, fantastic knife maker in South Africa. He's from Centurion, so not too far from me. We've spoken once, but I went to his house or to his business as a private customer, so yeah, nothing like that. But anyway, fantastic people, wonderful guy. Great. Okay, so if you are in South Africa, please give him a shout out or contact him, buy something, and let him know that I'm sending you. Okay. Now, previously I did a potato patina on this thing, but I left it on for like a week because I was busy. So it came out a bit too harsh, according to me. I don't know if you like this, but this is a bit harsh. Over here, a bit of rust formed, so I had to buff this off again. Okay, now I want to, what do you call this? Just even it out a bit. It's pretty cool, because wherever I rubbed the potato, it looks almost like damascus. Can you see that? Okay, and it covered everything I covered with the potato, but like I said, you should not leave this stuff for a week, especially on something like 1095, and this is 1075. And like I said, thick piece of that, but yeah, a bit too much maybe. Okay. And you can actually see where the potatoes were sitting. Okay, so a bit too much. Now, what we're going to do today is the following. We're just going to rub it on here. Everywhere, even where I buffed it off, I'm gonna rub it on there, rub it on the back again, rub it everywhere. Okay, and then we're not gonna leave it on the blade, so we're gonna rub it. I actually sharpened it a bit, so can you see the shiny edge there? Yes, I sharpened it on the grinder because I do get lazy occasionally and then just sharpen things on the grinder instead of sharpening them on all the wonderful sharpening systems we have available. If you have a 1x30 or a 2x70, whatever, there's nothing better to sharpen a knife on than that. Well, nothing quicker at least, but yeah, if you still sharpen with normal sharpening systems, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just way easier to have something mechanical. Even if you have those little workshops or whatever they call those things, they do work fantastically. Anyway, so I'm going to rub this thing. Oh, and please remember, whenever you put a carbon steel blade in a leather sheath, the tanning process of the leather, it makes the leather acidic. So even if you just put the knife in a sheath, it will rust over time. So whenever you want to put one of these away for an extended period of time, put something like bow shield on the blade, and then wrap it in plastic and then put it in the sheath. If you have a knife channel or something like that, and you want to store something for an extended period of time within a sheath, do it that way, because otherwise it will rust. Okay, so I'm rubbing this thing with my potatoes, and then this part that is very shiny now, I'm going to put the potato in there, and I'm going to leave it like this until tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow, when we start up with our new videos, yeah, we'll see what this looks like. But for now, please go check out Grom Molotog's GoFundMe for Deelsport Survival's father. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.